In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an audiobook with AI and clone your voice using Elevenlabs. This process is not just about converting text to speech. It's about giving your content a personal touch by cloning your own voice. We're going to walk through the steps you need to follow, so let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Elevenlabs website, which offers a free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. This platform is an incredible resource for anyone looking to get started in the world of audio content creation without the need for extensive equipment or professional recording studios. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In option. It's positioned at the top right corner. Just click it. If you already have an account, simply enter your details and log in. However, if you're new to Elevenlabs, you'll need to create an account. Follow the instructions for signing up, and you'll be ready to explore a host of innovative tools designed for audio creation. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Elevenlabs homepage. This serves as the central hub for accessing all the features available on the platform. From here, you can manage your projects, explore new features, and gain insights into the fascinating world of AI-generated audio. You'll want to keep an eye out for the Create menu option, as this is where the magic begins. The next step is the most exciting. Click on Create an Audiobook. This is where you can start the process of bringing your written content to life. Upload the text you wish to transform into an audiobook and select the option to clone your voice. You'll be prompted to provide a sample of your voice. Make sure it's a clear recording, free from background noise, to ensure the best result possible. Once your voice has been successfully analyzed and cloned, you can listen to a sample to see if it meets your expectations. Take your time to adjust settings if needed to get the desired output. The AI is incredibly sophisticated, allowing for remarkable accuracy in mimicking the nuances of your natural speech. Finally, generate your audiobook with a single click. You can download the finished product and share it on platforms that support audio content. This entire process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easier than ever to create high-quality audio content with your unique personal touch. And there you have it, an audiobook ready for the world to hear, all crafted through the seamless integration of AI technology and your own vocal talents.